Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where sniping tool is not working properly with multiple monitors on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution and the process. Now here's the thing. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab, select display in the right pane, and then you can find scale here and resolution. Now, if the scale and resolution is different for both the monitors, sniping tool will not work on both of them. So here's what you can do: either change the values for both of them, or you can simply take the screenshot on one monitor. The reason is that here's the thing, the main thing. If you try changing the scale and resolution from the recommended value to something else, it will impact the display of your system and it might become very difficult to manage the situation. It is strongly recommended not to do such a thing. Okay, so this is the case. Now, if you're doing it, that's your call, but the suggestion is not to do such a thing. And this is why I say that if you have a secondary monitor or multiple monitors with different resolutions, simply take separate screenshots. But if you want to take a combined screenshot, then you'll have to bring the scale and resolution of all the three monitors to the same level. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.